Hello and welcome back to our new video. In this video I'll show you how to sign up into your Prime Videos. For that, just open your Prime Videos app, and now what you need to do is give them permission, and then you have to select create new password, and there you have to enter your first and last name, your email address or phone number, and enter your email or phone number. There you have to enter your new password and tap on verify email. Then they will ask you to solve this puzzle. After that, tap on continue button, and it will send you a OTP code on your Gmail. Just go and check your Gmail. It is for verification, and no, it's sure to check your trash and spam folders too, because sometimes it stays in your spam folders. And then this is my OTP code, and tap on copy button and copy it over here and tap on verify. And now you need to enter your mobile number, and after that it will ask you to select your payment method, and then you have to enter all your details of your debit or credit card. And after you add your details and get your subscription, you are ready to enjoy your Prime Videos. I hope this video helped you out. If you have any questions or queries, just let us know in the comment section. Thank you for watching.